Hello everyone. We will discuss about storage class, logical operation and arithmetic operation from the embedded system. Storage class. Now, what is the storage class? Storage class represents the visibility and the location of the variable. Also, it tells from what part of code we can access a variable. Storage class is used to describe the following things. First one is the variable scope, location where the variable will be stored, initialized value of variable, a lifetime of a variable, and last one is the who can access that variable. Also, keywords related to the storage class provides the information on the scope, that is in we had seen, that is the visibility or accessibility, and the lifetime, that is existence of that variable. Embedded C supports four types of storage class: auto, extern, static and register. These are the four storage class which are supported by embedded C. Now we will see first is the auto storage class. It is the default storage class. Variables are declared inside the function. Scope and accessibility is restricted within the function where the variable is declared. Also, it having no initialization. The next one is the register storage class. It is the variable which is stored inside the register. That is, variables are stored in the CPU register of the processor. It reduces the access time of the variable. It is same as auto storage class in scope and accessibility. The next one is the static storage class. It is the local variable which is capable of returning a value even when control is transferred to the function call. Local variables with lifetime same as that of the program. It returns the value throughout the program. As we have already seen, in static storage class, control is transferred to the function call. That means accessibility depends on where the variable is declared. Last is the external storage class. It is the global variable. That means variable accessible to all the functions in the file and all files in the multiple file program. External storage class can be modified by any function within a file or across multiple files. Next is the arithmetic operation we are using in the embedded C. So there are 5 arithmetic operations we are using: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and remainder. That is the modulus also. So first one is the addition. It is used to add the variables or numbers. Subtraction, it is used to subtract the variables or numbers. Multiplication, it is used to perform multiplication between variables or numbers. Division operation performs division between variables and numbers, and remainder is used to find the remainder of the division. So these are the 5 operations we can use. Now logical operation we are using in the embedded C. Logical operations are used for decision making and program control transfer. There are three logical operations we are using. So we will see it one by one. First is the AND operation, that is logical AND operation. It is used to perform logical AND operation. Output is true if both the operands are true. The next is the OR operation, that is logical OR operation. It is used to perform logical OR operation between two operands. If one of the operand is 1, then output will be 1, otherwise it is 0. Next is the NOT operation, that is logical NOT operation. It performs logical negation, that is it is used to get complement of that operand.